to 28 ka na, anong...
No, 29.
29, anong wish mo? Anong gusto mo pang marating sa career mo?
With my career, I would really like, gusto ko sana magkaroon ng educational show. Kasi that's one of my dreams talaga is to empower people. Like I said, iba-iba yung gusto natin sa buhay. For me naman, naniniwala talaga ako sa kakayahan ng Pinoy. At naniniwala ako na kung may tamang way lang of empowering and instilling the thirst for knowledge and to discover and to we can do so much. Look at the HB12 Genius Visa Bill na meron sila sa States na it's kept their scientific field active. Kasi yung educational institutions nila nag-deteriorate na rin eh. And yet, their scientific field has been kept up by outsourcing these intelligent brains from all over the globe na magugulat ka bigla yung HB12 Visa Bill andun sila, diba? They're innovating, they're at the top of their field. Magugulat ka pag bigla na lang may nag-uuspungan na Silicon Valley in India, Silicon Valley in China. Bakit? It's because these people from the HB12 Visa Bill nag-uwian sa mga bansa nila and created these industries and infrastructures that generated jobs, nagkaroon ng trabaho para sa maraming tao. Yung learning na yun, yung discovery, hindi siya exclusive lang sa HB12 Visa Bill, hindi siya exclusive sa Finland, sa Sweden, sa kung saan man. Collective yun, maging tayo ng mga Pinoy, sa kakayahan natin, kaya nating kailangan lang tayo mabigyan ng tamang platform. So hopefully, yun talaga yung, if I will have one dream for the Philippines, is that we nurture, sana igabay natin ulit, i-nurture yung need ng mga kabataan